Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to disable the predictive text in this device. So in this device I already enabled this one. So let me show you how to disable this one. For this let me show you what is the predictive text. For this, open the message application and just type anything. If I am going to type good morning, now you can see just I enter GOO. Now the prediction you can see here. Good morning, you can see. Okay, so let me show you how to disable this one. For this, simply go to settings, tap on the option general. Now scroll down, tap on keyboard. Now here you can see the option predictive text. To disable this one, turn off this option. Now again try to enter something. You can see there is no prediction is here, right? So simply in this way you can disable the predictive text in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.